This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शनिवासरः अथवा मन्दवासरः आषाढ शुद्ध चतुर्दशी दिनांक चतुर्दशी उद्या पंचक है पौर्णिमा दिनांक 4 जुलै 2020 सहस्रयोगम ब्राह्मी घृतम् शंखं चक्रं जलौकान्दगतमृतघटं चारुदौर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृत्याशुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगतवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीनं प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं पतनोद्दिशः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् सप्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम् Saraswata Grita. So Brahmi Grita is Ayushya Vani Medha Smriti Buddhi Prada. यतः अस्य उपयोगः बालेषु कर्तव्यः इति त्रिफला लक्ष्मणानन्ता समङ्गा सारिवा वच ब्राह्मी पाठा द्विबृहति द्विस्थिरा द्विपुनर्नवा सहदेवी प्रवेर्वल्ली पयस्या गिरिमल्लिका तोयकुम्भे पचेदेतत् फलांशं पादशेषितम् तेन कान्ति वचा कुष्ठ कृष्णा सिन्धव सर्षपैः निरुत्सवत्सायाः संयुक्तं पयसा च गोः पुष्ययोगे कृतप्रस्थं स हेम शकलं श्रुतं पानाभ्यञ्जन भोज्येषु ऋतुमेतः करं परं रक्षोघ्नं च विषघ्नं च सारस्वतमिदं तम् तर्हि अस्य विशेषः एव कौन्ती रेणुका वचा कुष्ठ कृष्ण पिप्पली सिन्धव सर्षप. So this is to be used as Kalkadravya, Gohrata, Tripala Lakshmana, Lakshmana Panji, Ananta Duralabha, Samanga Manjishtha Sariva Vacha, Brahmi Patha, Dvibruhati, Dvistira, Dvipunarnava, Sahadevi, Raver Velli, Arkamula, Payasya, Shiravidari, Girimallika, Uttaja. 2 1/4 each. Thus Gokshira 2 Prastha. He has omitted Hema Shakala from this. And Pushya Yoga also he has not mentioned. Niruk Sarup Vatsayaha Sanyuktam Payasashako. So the cow should be Niruk Sarupa Vatsa. So there are particular Visheshanas given for this. So Kalkatravya and Pathatravya are okay. That's not an issue. But this has to be prepared on Pushya Yoga. And Sahema Shakalam. So along with a piece of gold, Hemashakala. In that Vajikarana Adhyaya, it is Mandalayar Gata Vedasya. So it should be a ring or round in shape. Here there is no mention, it is just Hema Shakala or something like that. Panabhyanjana bhojyeshu smritimedha paramparam. So this is to be used for Pana, Abhyanga and Bhojya. Rakshognancha Vishagnancha Saraswadam idam kritam. It is both Rakshogna and Vishagna. Saraswata group. So there are few peculiarities about this. It is to be prepared on Pusha Yoga. That is one aspect. Secondly, Rakshogna and Vishagna and Sahe Mashakala along with the gold within it. So may we think of this in this COVID-19 right now, Rakshogna and Vishagna as such, and Pana, Abhyanga and Bhojya in all these ways. This is useful. I think the Saraswata Krita is available in the market. Does anybody know about that? But I think it is available. Small pieces of gold is to be added to the above drugs, or Grutta can be taken with Suvarna Bhasma. He has mentioned about gold, no mention about Pushya Nakshatra. Pana Abhyanga also can be taken with meal. So anyway, we think yes, it is available. So anyway, if this is available, then this is fine. AVS. Okay. But let us see. Now the only thing that remains is availability of this or any other grita in Desi cow ghee, what we were discussing yesterday. I have not seen WhatsApp group, but if we really start something like this, that will be great. Which pharmacy uses Desi cow grita? No pharmacy uses, but not this part. Then which part here? If this is not this part here, what is available by Saraswata Grita? Next one. Okay. So let us see. Actually, there is no pharmacy which is preparing or using, so to say, Desi cow Grita. Smriti Medhakara, Rakshogna and Vishagna. So that is fine. Saraswata Grita second. Ajakshire Abhaya Vyosha Patha Shikri Pathogra Shigru Sindhavai Siddham Saraswatam Sati Vagmedha Smriti Vandikru. This is rather simple. Abhaya Vyosha Patha Ugra is Vacha actually. Shigru and Sindhava Ajakshira Shambhar Pala. There is no mention of the Pramana of Bhrita or Shira in the part itself. Ajakshira is the only Dravadravya and 100 Pala for one Rastha Bhrita. So this might be traditional. Vagmedha Smriti Vandikrit. So the Ashtanga Grita and this Saraswata Grita number 2, which is available in the market, we may have to think about this. One of the methods might be we can ask them to go for Desi cow Grita, a separate division for the pharmacies, or we prepare it by ourselves. That's a better choice, of course, when we prepare it for ourselves. Vani Medha Smriti Vardhaka Agni Deepaka. समंगाधिकृत समंगाधातकी लौधर कुटन्नट बलाद्वयैः महासहा क्षुद्रसहा मुद्ग बिल्वशलाटुभिः सकार्पासी फलैस्तोयैः तोये साधितैः साधितं घृतं क्षीरं मस्तुयुतं हन्ति शीघ्रं दन्तोद्भवान् गदान् विविधान् आमयान् एतत् वृत्तकाश्यपं निर्मितम्. So this is for dantodbhava vikara in the bala. Samangadhataki laudhra kutannaka baladvayai mahasaha krudhra bilvashalatubhi sakarpasi falai toye saditaihi साधितं घृतं क्षीरं मस्तुयुतं हन्ति. This is rather strange. So all these are Kalka Dravyas. Samangadhataki Lodhra Kutannaka Bala Dvaya Mahasaha Rudrasaha Mashaparni and Mudgaparni Mudga Bilva Shalatu unripen or tender fruits of bilva Karpasi Phala. So typical is Karpasi Phala, and here we have to be very cautious because now the Karpasi is genetically modified. So it's very difficult. Jadimastu Vanprastha. Prepare with a kalpa and snehadravya. Dantodbheda janya roga. Which of the South Indian pharmacies to be preferred for different kalpas like Vrita, Asavarishta in market? What is your experience? ABS is a better choice. You can talk to Ganesh. That's a better thing. But he has been using particularly ABS, and that is available at a cheap rate. The quality is good as compared to AVP or other companies. And only thing, the margin that the distributor gets is less, and so people are not very keen to bring this. But if we approach AVS shop itself or distributor itself, then that should be fine. Nagarjuna Gujarat uses Gir cow Grita, but Agni Sanskar doubtful because these Grita look and taste like very mild, may be mixing only extracts. One may have to visit and see where it is in Gujarat, Surat, Ahmedabad, whatever it may be, or something like that. So I have visited AVS and it's huge. I have also visited AVP, but maybe we try to see what they are doing as such, Ahmedabad. So maybe we can ask somebody to see Ahmedabad Bhutek. Anyway, I have visited Ahmedabad many times, but I have not seen this. I was not aware about this. But let us try to see. Now in Dantodbheta Gadantaka, there is one medicine available from Baidyanath, Vedantodbheta Gadantaka Rasa. Rajanyati Churna is from Vagbhat itself, and it is also available. And Rajani Daru Sarala Shreyasi Bhuti Dvayam Krishnikarani Gachata Leadam Makshika Sarpisha. Grahani Dipana Shreshta Marutasya Anomanam is the Palashruti of this Rajanyati Gruta as such. So we may have to think about Dantodbheda in this perspective, and I don't know, the Samangadi Gruta is available in the market or not. But use of Gruta has become controversial only because of this Jersey cow ghee. That's the main culprit now. Though we are using lots of dhrutas in our day-to-day practices. I now start having aversion about this and maybe try to go for desi cow ghee. That's a better thing to do. महापैशाचिक घृत जटिला पूतना केशी चारटी मर्कटी वचा त्रायमाणा जया वीरा चोरक चतुरोहिणी कायस्था सूकरी छत्रा अतिछत्रा फलंकषा महापुरुष दंता च वयस्था नाकुली द्वयम् कटंभरा वृश्चिकाली शालिपर्णी च तैर्युतम् सिद्धं चातुर्थिकोन्माद ग्रहापस्मार नाशनम् महापैशाचकं नाम घृतमेतद् यथामृतं बुद्धिस्मेता बुद्धिमेधा स्मृतिकरं बालानां चाङ्गवर्धनम्. So this is again typical. Kollatkar sir was of opinion that the paryayas used over here are very specific. Jatila, Putana, Keshi, etc. So it has really something to do with Pishacha Grahabadha or something. So Chaturthika Unmada Graha Apasmara. So Grahapasmara, Unmada, and Chaturthika. Buddhimeda Smritikaram Balanam Changavarga. So I've used this in many cases, I'd said. Jatila Jatamausi Putana Balaharitaki Keshi Sugandha Jatamausi Charati Markati Kapikachu Vacha Trayamana Jaya Agnimantha Veera Choraka Kachora Katurahini Kayastha Haritaki Shukari Vivarahi Chatra Shatapushpa Akshatra Mishreya Palankasha Laksha Mahapurusha Mahashatavari. अरे बाप रे. Mahapurusha Danta. So Danta is the I thought Mahapurusha Danta. So I was just puzzling about this. Vayastha Amalaki Nakuli Dvaya Nakuli and Gandha Nakuli Katambhara Shonaka Vrishtikali Shaliparani Gogurta. Prepare Grita with the above drugs with Kalka, Sneha and Dravadravya taken in the specified quantity. Buddhimeda Sprati Karaka Sharira Vruddhi Karaka for children. He doesn't say anything about this Vihapasmara, etc. It might be on the next page. Divita Smritikaram Balanam Chankavardhana. Chaturthika Graha Unmada Graha Apasmara. These have not been really mentioned over here. No. He has not mentioned about that. So this is strange. But Balanam Changavardhanam, I've used this for this. Apalagrutha is also having that capacity, so I'm tempted to use Palagrutha more. And particularly when there is Grahapasmara, Grahonmada, then this is a choice. This medicine is a choice. And so better start doing our own grutas. That will be better. And we should have Bananam Changavardhanam Jamina series for increasing height, etc. Yes, it is possible, but not only height, even the width or from Kudshat to Madhyama Sharireshti, that is also possible. Those who are not gaining weight in this is fine. Even in Chavanprash, there is a Falashruti of this Balanam Angavardhanam. So we try to use all these, and for Abhyanga as such, and even internal, that should be fine. So this might be good enough to use. महापंचगव्यकृत द्विपञ्चमूलत्रिफला द्विनिशा सप्तपर्णम् अपामार्गं नीलिनीं कटुरोहिणी शम्याकपुष्करजटा फल्गुमूलदुरालभाः द्विपला सलिलद्रोणे पक्वा पादावशेषिते भाङ्गी पाठाढकी कुम्भ निकुम्भ व्योषरोहिषैः मूर्वाभूतिकभूनिम्ब श्रेयसी सारिवाद्वयैः मदयन्त्यग्निचूलैः अक्षांशैः सकृशा पचेत् प्रस्थं तद्वद्द्रवैः पूर्वैः पञ्चगव्यमिदं महत् जरापस्मारजठर पकन्दरहरं परम् शोपार्शकामला पाण्डुगुल्मकासगरापम् अंगी लागत नाही असे तक्रार असताना बालकात बालानाम अंगवर्धन म्हणून वापरता येईल. Yes, that is true. Definitely. द्रवैः पूर्वैः पञ्चगव्यमिदं महत्. So लघु पंचगव्य is probably more in use. भारंगी पाठा आढ़की कुंभ निकुंभ व्योष रोहिष मूर्वा भूतिक भूनिम्ब श्रेयसी सारिवाद्वय मदयन्ती अग्नि चित्रक निचुल विदुल एकप्रस्थ द्विपंचमूल रसवेण बृहत् त्रिफला द्विनिशा कुटजत्वक सप्तपर्ण अपामार्ग नीलिनी कटुरोहिणी सम्यक अश्वगन आरगवद पुष्कर जटा जटामावसी फल्गुमूल काकोदुम्बरिका मूल दुरालभाद 2 पलैः जल prepare kashaya boiling and reduce to 1/4 plus panchagavya 1 prastha each. Where is the mention of panchagavya over here? प्रस्थम तद्वत् द्रवैः पूर्वैः पंचगव्यमिदं महत्. So पूर्वोद्रव्य द्रव we might स्थान आकुली धन कटंबरा वृष्टिकाली शास्त्रीकरणी च तैर्गतं सिद्धं चातुर्थे कोण माधव. There is no mention. Kshiram mastu yutam, that might be the only thing which is samangadi vrta. There are in between two more vrtas. So it's rather difficult. By Panchagavya name itself, it means use of gobar, gomutra, gati, dugdha, and then bhrita. That is what is called as Panchagavya as such. But there is no direct mention of these in the Patha itself. So rather difficult. If there is a part of this later Panchagavya Gupta itself, instead of Mahapanchagavya Gupta, Virapasmara Jatara Bhagandara Haram Param, and Shobharsha Kamala Pandu Gulma Kasa Garhapam. I have used this So then this part should be earlier than Mahat Panchagavya Gurta. Why did they change the sequence? सर्वामयांतक गृत. गर अपस्मार उदर रोग भगंदर शोफ अर्चस कामला गुल्म आसग्रह रोग. इच्छाचा are ones who eat pishita, pishacha, pishita mouse. Many children with krumi show altered behavior, so we may think of gruta like paishachika panchagavya gruta in those cases where krumina and manasa कार्य is expected. विदुल म्हणजे काय आणि जठर म्हणजे काय? जठर is उदर रोग. Vidula, somebody may throw light on that. That will be better. This Danta Katakata, this is taken as a symptom of Krumi. But according to Kosha, it's a symptom of Grahavana. And so we may have to think of Graha in this situation and try to counteract with Mahapaishachik these kinds of Panchagavya. How there is no mention of Panchagavya Gurta itself, directly Mahapanchagavya Gurta. So this is rather strange. And this Panchagavya Gurta is having the also as one of the contents. And the Gokshira, Dadhi, then Gomaya and Gomutra, and equal quantity Gurta of all these. So one part of Gurta in these 4 parts or something. And then prepare Panchagavya Gurta. Now, there is a class of so-called Vaidyas, Gavya Siddha Vaidya or Gavya Siddha, what they call themselves. There is one course in Tamil Nadu. It's 2 years course. And these start calling them as Gavya Siddha or something. And they are supposed to use only Go products. That is what they have been taught. I don't know what kind of Sharir or Nidana and Chikitsa they are taught. But then they start calling themselves as qualified doctors. It's a 2 years course, I think after 10th or 12th. So this is again a big issue as such. Because if they are unaware about Didan, they are unaware about Sharira, etc., then this is very difficult. In Ashtanga Hridaya, Dravadravya as per Panchagavya Gurta. Panchagavya mentioned ahead at number 51. Okay. It is translated version of Sahasra Yoga. They have not taken many yogas from actual tests, but this is only available soft copy. Okay. So we need to see the variations from the original text. That is also one of the parts of critical edition as such. And we need to improve the Sanskrit. We need to improve the translation if it is not there. Hindi pustak, Gomaya 1 part, Gomutra 2, Godukta 8, Godathi 5 parts, Gogruta 4 parts, given in footnote. Gomaya 1, Gomutra 2, Godukta 8, and Godathi 5. So 5, 7, 8, 13, 13, 2, 15 and 16. So 4 times of Gogruta, all these, but half of it is Dugdha, and 1/4 of that is Gomutra. Godati is 5 parts. This is really strange. What I have heard is equal parts of Gruta, the Dugdha, Gomaya, and Gomutra. दंत कटकटायन सिम्पटम मोठ्या मुलांमध्ये अबाउट 23 years असेल तर ट्रीट काय राहायचं. Same we may have to think about. Many people say that this is associated with Krumi and Krumi treatment helps also, but we may have to think of this Grahabada as such and may try to use Grahanashana yogas on this. So Gavya Siddha or Panchagavya Siddha, this is a new category that is evolving. And if they really stick to only these Go products, then that is fine. But it doesn't happen so. They start giving other medicines and other things without any knowledge, and that is dangerous. Secondly, there is a category of patients who feel that they have taken Ayurvedic treatment and they have not got results of that. And this is because of these kinds of people who don't know the science properly and just try to give something. So this is again a big issue, but this big issue is associated with other people as well. So Patanjali has marketed like anything, and they have centers all over India. And many cancer patients and very advanced cases of CKD, etc., approach Patanjali Center. And if the Vaidya is not capable of handling these cases, then there is a setback for Ayurveda in general, because they feel they have taken Ayurvedic treatment and that was not fruitful or something like that. So this is again a big issue for us, big problem for us. And unless and until the number of good practitioners increases, this is very difficult to conquer the situation. So I said to them, one of these peoples, that in our Tiskanda Kosha, there are lots of pages on Gokshira, Gogruta, Takra, Dati, etc. If at all you need to understand that, then that's a very good source, rich source of knowledge. But what they are understanding is a very different issue. And it's like cow is like a shelter of 33 crore devas, gods or something like that. 33 lakh to 33 lakh. And that's all. She is very sacred, and you use anything and that will be giving result or something like that. So this is very difficult. And even people understand that, oh, Gomutra is very good and anybody can take it or something like that. And in reality, it is not so. So instead of propagating Gomutra as a Go product, they should have promoted Go Kshira, Go-Ghruta, because that is having Rasayana property. But all these Gavya Siddha people, they propagate more Gomutra, and not really Go-Kshira or Go-Ghruta as such. So this is a big issue right now. And one should have knowledge about the diseases, their conditions, etc., etc. And people really want help. There is no doubt that all over world there is a big demand for help. And if they approach a proper person, then they get benefited. If they don't approach a proper person, then they may get deceived. That is the thing. So how to deal with these conditions is a big issue. And the long way is to emphasize on textual study and practicum. What is Go Arka or Go Dharana? Nowadays it is heard more. It's extract from Gomutra, the distillation method. It's more concentrated and less smell than Gomutra itself, and it can stay. So Gomutra has to be used fresh. You can use Go Arka easily, and it is easily available as well. So where you want to use Gomutra, you can use Go-Arka. That is possible right now. But we have to think where to use Gomutra itself. All cases are not good for Gomutra. That is very sure. Only Kapha Pradhanya is important. Pitta Rakta Dushti, Pitta Rakta Pradhanya is not useful for Go-Arka or Gomutra as such. So we have to think about this. And if at all we want to use Go products, then Vaidya is a more suitable person for that. If we really study Tiskanda Kosha or for that matter this Prajnatik Kosha, we'll have all the references about Go products. Go Kshira, Go Ghruta, Gomaya, Gomutra, everything we'll have. And where to use indications, etc. etc. And that would be more effective. Maybe as allopathy have misconceptions about Dudha Ghruta, they are promoting Gomutra. That is true. They are looking at cow as a sacred animal, and then everything that is coming from cow is good. That is what their assumption is. Good for all, and that is not true. And truly speaking, they need to emphasize on Ghruta and Dugdha more than Gomutra itself. But unfortunately, it is not so. So what I feel right now is no doubt the Desi cow is lot more useful, and if we propagate Shira and Ghruta from Desi cow, that is fine, and we should start consuming it by ourselves. That is most important about that. So Desi cow farm is a better choice in this situation, and we have our own unit for making Siddhagrutas. That's a better thing to do. Balamulam Shatangrayam Dasha Sarvamayantaka Gurito. So this is again a very big part. People want something different than food items. They prefer strange things. That is possible. But Gomutra is not really an edible product. So that is to be used as medicine only and not as edible product. बलामूलं शतंग्रायं दशमूल शतं तथा शतावर्या गुणुच्चाश्च द्राक्षा मधुकदारुच माशाश्वगंधा चैरण्डं उलुष्टं बदरण्यवाः भूपीलु वैजयन्ती च मधुशिग्रु पुनर्नवा वर्णं सिन्धुवारं च सोमं चार्क प्रसारणीः हिंस्रा कुलत्तवन्धिं च हपुषा च त्रिवृद्वचा. सौरिकंच महावृक्षो मोरटार्जुनमेव च स्नास्ता कार्पासबीजं च पदर्दारु महाबला करञ्जद्वयकैरण्डं शुण्ठिञ्च तृणपञ्चकम् येषां पृथक् पञ्चफलं जले खारी चतुष्टये अष्टभागावशिष्टे तु घृतप्रस्थं च योजयेत् तिलतैलं चतुःप्रस्थं प्रस्थमैरण्डसम्भवम् देवदारुवचाकुष्ठ सरलं चन्दनं तथा मांसीरास्ता शतावाच शैलया गुरुचोरकम् काकोली क्षीर काकली जीवकर्षकौ उभौ मेधा चैव महामेधा पत्तंगं रक्तचन्दनं मधुको क्षीर मञ्जिष्ठा कौन्ती व्याघ्रनखं तथा त्रिगन्धा नागपुष्पं च तगरं पद्मकं तथा तुरंगगंधा मंजिष्ठा हिंगुशोभाञ्जनं तथा पुष्टं मधुकलोद्रं च विडङ्गं सर्वं गुग्गुलुः येषां दिष्टं पृथक् पिष्टा शनैर्मुद्वग्निना पचेत् क्रूडा परिसृतं सम्यक् सुगुप्तं च ध्यापयेत् नस्ये पाने तथा भ्यङ्गे वस्तौ एतत्तु पूजितम् आढ्यवाते शिरःकम्पे खलाये सञ्जसंज्ञके मन्यास्तम्भे हनुस्तम्भे ग्रीवास्तम्भे च जिह्विके The part is very big. I don't know whether this is available. Sarvamayantaka Krita. Falashuti is also wide. Akshepake Shiroge Pakshakate Tathadite. Urustambhe Karastambhe Tatha Shvasabalasake. Yanishule Bastishule Ruchule Cha Tathaivacha. Pukshishule Parshvashule Kanthashule Visheshta. विंशति श्लेष्मर दोषेषु वाताशीति गदेष्वपि पित्तेषु चत्वारिंशत्सु सर्वरोगान् जयेदिदम् सर्वज्वरक्षयोन्माद श्वासापस्मारमाप्नचित् सर्वामयान्तकं नाम सिंहक्षुद्रमृगान् यथा available. Great. Part is quite big. The Falashruti is also very wide. देवदारु वचा कुष्ठ सरल चंदन मांसी रासना शतावा शैलेय अगति चोरक काकोली क्षीर काकोली all अष्टवर्ग is there. जीवक ऋषभक मेधा महामेधा पतंग चंदन भेद रक्त चंदन मधुक उशिर मंजिष्ठा कौंती रेणुका व्याघ्र नख त्रिगंधा त्वक एलापत्री नागपुष्प तगर पद्मक तुरंगगंधा अश्वगंधा मंजिष्ठा हिंगु शोभांजन कुष्ठ मधुक लोध्र विडंग सर्जन गुगुलु गोघृत वनप्रस्थ तिलतैल फोरप्रस्थ एरंड तैल वनप्रस्थ. So यमक स्नेह बलामूल दशमूल शतावरी गुडूची मधुक द्राक्षा मधुक दारू माश अश्वगंधा एरंड कुदत्थ बदर यव भूपिलु वैजयंती तरकारी. व्हाट इज भूपिलु? मधुशिग्रु पुनर्नवा वरुण सिंधुवार निर्गुणी सोम अर्क प्रसारिणी हिंस्रा कुदत्थ वन्नी हपुषा त्रिवृत वचा सैरेयक महावृक्ष स्नुही मोरट मोरवा अर्जुन रासना कार्पास बीज. सिद्धकर्ताचा उग्रगंध घालवण्यासाठी काय करता येईल? Can't say. भद्रदारु महाबला करंजद्वय एरंड शुंठी तृणपंचमु पंचक जलचार खारी 1-8. Prepare Ghruta with the above drugs with Kalka, Sneha and Dravadravya. Adhyavata Shirakkampa 7 times of Khainja. Manyastambha, Hanustambha, Grivastambha, Jivaka, Jivvaka, Akshepaka. I think we try to use this soft gel capsule banota for Ugragandha. सिद्ध केलेल्या घृताला उग्रगंध येत नाही. We may try to think of this in ankylosing spondylosis. There is mention of this मन्यास्तंभ, हनुस्तंभ, ग्रीवास्तंभ, जिह्वक, आक्षेपक, शिरोरोग, पक्षघात, पक्षाघात, अर्धित, ऊरुस्तंभ, करस्तंभ. So all these are very well seen in ankylosing spondylosis, and there is always a problem with treating this ankylosing spondylosis. Initially, we may have to treat with Landhana Pachana and then may go for Snehapana of this Sarvamayantaka Gurta if it is not available or something like that. So, Swasa, what is Swasa? श्वास हा करस्तंभ श्वास बलासक योनिशूल बस्तिशूल हृत्शूल कटी कुक्षिशूल पार्श्वशूल कंठशूल. My goodness. I may try to use in varieties of cancers. Pachana with what in ankylosing spondylosis? Maybe Guruchi and Shunthi Siddhajala and Ajamodadi Churna. This is again in Amavata actually. Or you can go for varieties of other pachanas mentioned in the Atisara or something like that. So once the pachana is done, Angandan also, and then when Niramavata, then we go for the Sarvamayantaka Gurta. That will be better. So especially 20 types of Kapha Roga, 40 types of Pitta Roga, and 80 types of Vata Roga. So now Nana Vikaras. Sarvajvara, Shraya, Unmad, Shwasa, Apasman. So rather strange, and such a big part, and that is available. This is again something great. May have to think about this. And as I said, ankylosing spondylosis is one indication that I could directly draw from this. But for any Vata Vyadhi, this seems to be a good one. And Tilataila, Erendasneha, and Gruta, combination of all these. So that makes it different as such. या सर्वामयंतक पाठाला काही संहितोक्त आधार आहे का? Can't say. Which kind of संप्राप्ति seen in ankylosing spondylosis, sir? मार्गावरोधजन्य or क्रियात्मक or both? Generally both, but मार्गावरोधजन्य is very common initially. And then after Langan Pachana, we may have to go for this Dhatukshayajanya Vata Prakopa. Kaphaja Vata Rakta Lakshan can we correlate with ankylosing spondylosis? Difficult to say. There is lot of stamba, that is a major thing, and with Svedana or Snehana, it gets relieved to certain extent, not fully. That is another important aspect. Which company making it available? Used as Rasayana after Vata Vyadhi treatment. Okay, ABS. So we think of this. गंध बदलण्यासाठी रेफर पत्रकल्क चरक चिकित्सा 28. पत्रकल्क चरक चिकित्सा 28, 148 to 156 बलाते. may think of this. नाही ते तुपाचा वास घालवण्यासाठी काय करायचं असं काही ते वेगळीच शंका. एनिवे
उत्तर दिलंय ना त्यांनी चरकची किती
ते बघायला लागेल ना पाठ काय तर बला तेलाचा पाठ
काय चर्ची
28 वातव्यारी 148 ते 156. So we may look for that part. Anyway, it is mentioned as Itigandha Shastre. So there is a Gandha Shastra separate. And we may have to search for this Gandha Shastra as such. As such, the art of making the attar or something like that is very old, even in India. And on that basis, the Pujari sirs had developed the concept. Okay. So many people believe that this has transcended from Arab people, but we were also preparing it. This Gandha Shastra, and maybe we have to revive this Gandha Shastra. I don't know whether any Grantha is available on that. Anyway, tomorrow is Guru Purnima, and the regular lecture of Kolatkar Pratishthan will be online from 9 to 10:30 of Shri Prasad Bavdekar, Mimamsa and Ayurveda. And only the Karyakarani members will meet, other members will join online. Oh, मला नाही लागलं. So with us. घरी येऊन नाही दवाखान्यात. So I will be going there. I will be concluding. So you can join all online and see with the MBK, this website for the details. There already have been circulated messages for that. Secondly, Nilesh Shirke, Suryakant Patil, can we join online? If yes, link please. I will ask Kushal to put link on JSVC. That will be better. There is a link sent by Vedas, and you have to just copy paste it. That should be fine. Then Nilesh Shirke is arranging one lecture in the morning. He is conducting lectures of Prasad and from 7:30 to 8:30. So he has asked me to deliver a lecture on the occasion of Guru Purnima on COVID-19. So I will conduct that lecture from 6:45 to 7:30 in the morning tomorrow. He has also sent that link to this Telegram group, and might be we can. So Vaibhav has already put this link on this.
दुसरे ते काय व्याख्यान देणार आहेत प्रसादचं म्हणजे
ते त्यांचा अष्टांग संग्रह का हृदय
आहे.
So that's a regular process. He is conducting lectures on Sunday and Wednesday. But anyway, I will be delivering lecture from 6:45 to 7:30 on the group of Nilesh. So he has already conveyed the link as what he said. And this will be on COVID-19 and what we can do in current situation. So do join that lecture as well. Kolatkar Pratishthan's Guru Purnima Vyakhyan. That is a routine activity every year. And this year Shri Prasad Bavdekar is the speaker. And Nilesh has already shared his link.
तो ते ह्याच्यावरच बोलणार आहे का?
कोण?
मीमांसा म्हणजे नेमकं कशावर बोलणार आहे?
मीमांसा आणि आयुर्वेद असं बोलणार आहे. So anyway, these will be 2 lectures tomorrow, one at 7:45 mine. Then the Prasad will be delivering lecture from 7:30 to 8:30, and 9 o'clock again this lecture by Kolatkar Pratishthan, 9 to 10:30 or something. No basta. So this you attend. I will be leaving. I will be stopping at 7:30, and I have to go to Dharma Chaitanya. So I will not be able to join Prasad sir's lecture. But anyway, we'll do it like that. Secondly, instead of Monday for this Patanjali Yoga Sutra, I would prefer to do it on Tuesday and Thursday. Let us see how I can adjust. Now the patients are increasing in the morning OPD, and it becomes quite hectic for me. 2:33 or something like that. And anyway, I have one meeting of Pratipati course at 2:30 on Monday. So Monday we'll meet in the morning as usual, 6:30 to 7:30 for Charaka. And instead of Patanjali Yoga Sutra on Monday, we'll meet on Tuesday and Thursday. I will convey uh, this Vinod Bhartiya for that, and he will arrange it like that. Secondly, the link for this Yoga Sutra is different. He has conveyed me the link, and he had conveyed it on this Telegram group as well. So you have to use that link for Yoga Sutra, and our morning link will be continued for this. And this is because he wants to make that Yoga Sutra lecture free for everybody. So the morning lecture is paid 600 rupees per year, but the Yoga Sutra lecture will be free for everybody. So those who are interested, even outside, may be Vaidyas, may not be Vaidyas, whatever it may be, who want to join Yoga Sutra, they can join this 3:30 to 4:30 Yoga Sutra class, and that would be good. Sarvamayantaka Grutta generally 2 ml 2 times a day, only 2 ml before food with warm water or milk, or as directed by diet doctor. It is also used in Nasya treatment, Abhyanga and Basti treatment. Ayurmedinfo.com. What is this Ayurmedinfo? Does this website cover all Ayurvedic medicines? VWPPW. PPW. What is PPW? Can you give your name? Shivkumar Hirimet. Okay. So let us see this Ayurved info. As I was searching for MM seems like thing for Ayurvedic medicines. If there is some information about Ayurved info, then that is fine. We'll see what medicine they have covered in this. So anyway, tomorrow at 6:45 for Nilesh Shirke's Gurukul and Guru Purnima occasion. 9 o'clock at Dharma Chaitanya for Kolhatkar Pratishtan's lecture, and Monday morning 6:30 to 7:30 Charak. And instead of Monday, Tuesday afternoon and Friday, Thursday afternoon for Patanjali Yoga Sutra. So these are changes that you please note, and we'll continue tomorrow and then on Monday. आयुर्वेद प्रकाण्डो निगदितैः हि शल्यतन्त्रप्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने काञ्च सुष्ठुः प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तन् प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारः श्वः पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः. Any idea about Vaidya Ganesh Shastri lectures? No idea. Basically, they used to conduct lecture, and now they also have to switch over to online. I'm not sure. Generally, they make an announcement during the process of our lecture, and we used to come to know about that. But now this is rather difficult. We may have to ask Ajit Joshi or somebody else from that Gurukul, and what kind of lecture they are going to have or something like that. When you try to search anything to Ayurveda on Google, you use the information on Ayurveda info first. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so we conclude today.